Welcome back to Silicophilic. Have you ever discovered an amazing European drama but then struggled to find where to watch it? Maybe it is a Spanish thriller, a French crime series, a German mystery show, or a Scandinavian drama everyone is talking about. The problem is that European content is spread across different platforms and many people end up searching through random websites that are filled with ads, fake buttons, or unsafe links. But there are actually several legal ways to watch European dramas online without spending a lot of money. In this video, I will show you the best official platforms where you can discover European series, watch free content, and enjoy dramas safely. So let's get started. Watch European dramas on ARTE TV. Let's start with one of the best options for European content, ARTE. It is an official European public broadcaster platform. Free streaming of available content is legitimate. The platform is known for European dramas, documentaries, cultural programs, crime series, international productions. The best part? Large amount of content is available to watch for free. To watch, open the ARTE website or app, log in or sign up, browse the series section, choose a drama, press play. Many programs include subtitles, including English subtitles for international viewers. If you enjoy slower, story-driven European shows, ARTE is definitely worth exploring. Watch European dramas on Tubi. Now let's talk about a platform that many people already know for free movies and TV shows. Tubi is legal. It is a licensed ad-supported streaming service. Watching content here is legal. The reason it is popular is simple. Can watch a larger collection of movies and series without paying a subscription where available. Tubi works by showing advertisements during playback, similar to traditional televisions. The platform includes international content, and depending on your region, you can find European movies, dramas, crime series, and TV shows. To watch, open the Tubi website or app. Create a free account if you want to save your watch list. Use the search option. Type the name of a European drama or browse through categories. Select the show, click the play button. That's it. No subscription is required for the free catalog. The library changes regularly, so new content can appear over time. However, just like other streaming platforms, availability depends on your location and licensing agreements. A show available in one country may not appear in another. You can use Opera browser and its VPN to bypass the issue. Watch Spanish dramas on RTVE Play. If Spanish dramas are your thing, RTVE Play is a great place to start. It's legal and the official streaming platform of Spain's public broadcaster. You can find Spanish dramas, historical series, crime shows, documentaries, classic television programs. To watch, visit RTVE Play. Create an account if required, search for your favorite series, select an episode, start streaming. A lot of content is free, but some shows may be limited depending on your location. If you find everything is written in Spanish, simply right-click on any place and select Translate to English. Discover Italian series on RaiPlay. For Italian dramas, another legal option is RaiPlay. RaiPlay is 100% legal. It is the official free streaming platform of RAI, Radio Televisione Italiana, which is Italy's national public broadcasting company. It includes Italian dramas, TV series, movies, news, entertainment shows. To use it, open RaiPlay, browse the catalog, select a series, start watching. The platform is free, although some content may require registration. If you like Italian storytelling, family dramas, and historical series, RaiPlay has plenty to explore. Watch European content on YouTube official channels. Many people forget about YouTube, but official European broadcasters upload a lot of content legally. You can find full episodes, older series, documentaries, special programs. The first thing is to check that you are watching from official channels. That way, you know it's legit. And here is the bonus: subtitles. YouTube makes it easy with automatic captions, and you can even auto-translate them into English or other languages. Some channels upload professional subtitles too, so international viewers don't miss out. Finding European dramas legally does not have to be difficult. The best part is you can discover new stories from different countries without relying on unsafe websites. So grab your popcorn, choose a platform, and start exploring European television. If this guide helped you find new places to watch dramas, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Silicophilic for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.